Hi, I figure that the easiest way to demonstrate the use of this sound shield is to let you hear a before and after. This is without the sound shield, and this is with the sound shield, and I think you can hear that there's been a substantial reduction in the ambient reverb and echoes that were just in my room. My room is the room I do most of my video production in, and sound recording is absolutely not sound prepped. So this is going to be a very, very, very useful appliance for me. It does come with all of the fittings, etc., that you would need to have with a stand-up microphone, and you could have this with the explosive shield and all of that. In my particular case, it's literally less than 30 seconds to set up, and it makes a big, big difference in the sound quality. So I say 4.5 stars, round up to 5. Thank you.